Have you thought about being grateful? And what are you grateful for? Hi everyone, I'm Coach Lottie and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mindset for Success. And I want to talk about today a gratitude practice. And I want to share with you what I do. But first of all, thank you for listening to my podcast video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like this video, press that like button, and write a comment. And also, if you love my videos, subscribe to my channel. I encourage you also to watch the suggested videos that are at the end of this video, because it's going to help you and it's going to encourage you to keep going, to stay focused, and to be a better you. All right, let me share with you guys a gratitude practice that I do, and it's going to help you appreciate yourself. It's going to give you joy and gladness that you did this. Did everybody know that when you practice gratitude, you actually feel more appreciation? Especially what to do is you write it down. And feeling grateful for, the best practice for you to do is to write down what you are grateful for. So first of all, find a peaceful spot where you can sit. Get your notebook, write down what you are grateful for. And as you write them down, this is going to help you meditate on those affirmations that you have written down. Give yourself a few minutes, meditate on that, what you have wrote down, the things that you are grateful for, and start meditating on that particular thought that you have written down. Read through all the lists that you write down and thank each one. For example, thank you for my beautiful smile. Thank you for my special favorite mug last holiday. Give thanks. Really tune into all 5 senses as best as you can. Touch, taste, feel. Feel with your emotional, valuable moment. Having that awareness in that particular moment, what you are grateful for, the right here and now. Now, how do you feel? Where do you feel? Gently breathe and sit down as you meditate. And the more you do this, the more grateful you will become. All right, everyone, thank you for listening to my quick little podcast. I hope this will help you learn how to write down and be grateful. Practice this. You write it down, the more you become grateful.